Oh. What's going on, guys? It's Kev Outdoors. We back with another video. Today's video, as you can see, we're in the woods. We're gonna be making some good old cozy warm porridge, and I have a mystery method. Let's get into the video, guys. So I did get a new bag, guys. This is the Abbey Base Camp Summit 78. That should hold. So that's a quick little shelter, guys. Quick little diamond tarp shelter. I think it's like a 5x7 tarp. I need to get another stick, just to hold it up right against it, like right there. But we'll hit it first. We'll adjust it after. Like that, guys. So yeah, got the essential regular honey. Put that right there. We got a whole bag of oats, but I only gonna use a little bit. We'll save some of this. Can't forget the ground cinnamon. And guys, the Nesquik, which we're gonna keep cold in the snow for now. One thing that I do need to get, guys, for next time I come out here is definitely a ground sheet. Do need to invest on a ground sheet because my knees are cold, my feet are cold. Hopefully we can get warmed up with this fire. So little poked out. This should be good now. Put some of that punky stuff. So that's going, guys. We're gonna get the porridge going. Put the porridge, guys. Put it off of there. Oh. It's a little bit. I'm gonna put some cinnamon. Not too much. Just a tad. I don't recommend anyone do this. Knowing me, I forgot a fucking spoon. Knowing me. So, fuck it. Warm porridge with a stick. Little bark won't hurt. Today I'm gonna put some more though, guys. Just so it could be a little thick, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look at that. My knees are in Antarctica right now. Look at that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna let this cook. Should be done any minute now. I'm gonna taste it. We're gonna chill for a little bit, and it's cold. These are cold. We're gonna be heading back in soon. But first, we're gonna eat this. And let me know what you guys think about this exhaust laundry method. I definitely like it. I ain't gonna be trying out more. I do like trying a little stuff. Look. If I wasn't paying attention, that shit would have burnt my tarp. See? Always gotta pay attention out here, man. That should be good now. Guys, I think that's done. It's actually a little warm in here, guys. So guys, bon appetit. So good. This ain't giving a lot of smoke either. It works perfect. If you guys want to try it out. Tell me how it came out for you guys. I encourage you guys to get out this year. This coming year, 2026, get out. Even if it means in your backyard. Okay, guys. I'm gonna finish this up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. In conclusion, the laundry exhaust pipe fire method works perfect. Cook a good steak on it, or you could cook a good porridge like me in the snow. I'll definitely recommend, guys. This is a good fire method, unique fire method. Just those coals right there, you could probably cook a little pizza. I don't know, something. But keeps you warm in a pinch. If you're in a survival situation, this is great, perfect. You can probably even find one of these in the woods sometimes. The porridge was good, guys. It's freezing. I'm gonna pack up out of here. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me packing up. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after that. Let's get it. First, we gotta clean this bowl. Perfect, ate it all. I'm full, guys. And just so you know, sanitized sticks in the woods are the best spoons in my eyes. So I'm gonna clean this before we get out of here. Just until I get inside, guys. Look at that, it's cleaning a little bit. Snow, it's not bad. This has to be perfect. Just has to fit in my bag. It's about 20 degrees, which is cold, so let's get it, guys. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you made it this far. Another great camp. Like I said, if you guys like the content, go like, go subscribe. Thanks for watching. We are going through a tough patch right now. But yeah, Kev Outdoors out. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.